Western Oklahoma, stay alert. Those storms are all very strong.
Tornado warning in November. How about that? Right after a 5.6 earthquake here in Oklahoma. What the hell's going on?
Highway 19 and Highway 58 straight south of Alton. And if you can see our shower,
Tornadoes in November. That is amazing. That's absolutely incredible. Over the mountains, it actually stopped the tornado for a while, upset the airflow. That's absolutely amazing.
The tornado extends a wide distance south.
Amazing.
That whole area is rotating. You can look at the clouds going around the wall cloud. The whole thing is rotating. It's a huge wall cloud, a lowering in a rain-free area, and from it today came multiple tornadoes, multiple small.
That's so cool.
Moderate-sized tornadoes and some very large tornadoes. Like I said, we looked at.
Well, I guess the wind farm guys are gonna be getting some overtime.
That's things like tornado right in the middle of the screen.
That's amazing.
That's just almost unbelievable.
It's like, looks like the movie Twister.